In this video, we're diving deep into the heart of history, exploring why Black history should be celebrated not just for a month, but every single day. We'll uncover the origins and significance of Black History Month, discuss the rich tapestry of African American achievements and struggles, and examine the transformative impact of integrating these narratives into our daily lives. From personal initiatives to collective action, we'll outline practical strategies for continuous engagement and celebrate the profound contributions of Black individuals throughout history. Greetings and welcome. I'm Carolyn A. from GettingToTheRoots.com, ready to empower you with tips, resources, and tutorials to craft a legacy that's uniquely yours. Let's discover the unique role your family has played in history. Join us on this incredible journey. Together, let's uncover the stories that have shaped us, celebrate the diversity of our heritage, and ensure that the legacies of our ancestors are remembered and cherished forever. Let's dive in. What is Black History Month and why was it created? Black History Month, originating as Negro History Week in 1926 by Carter G. Woodson, is designated to celebrate the achievements and contributions of African Americans to society. It aimed to address the educational neglect of African American history, choosing a week in February to align with the birthdays of Abraham Lincoln and Frederick Douglass. Evolving from a week to a month, it was officially recognized by the U.S. government in 1976 as a National Heritage Month to honor the achievements, contributions, and vital roles of African Americans in history, and to celebrate their rich cultural heritage while reflecting on their ongoing struggles for freedom and equality. If you find value in this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to show your support. Your interaction enhances our visibility through YouTube's algorithm. Now, back to our video. Why is Black history a rich and complex narrative? Black history encompasses a tapestry of experiences, achievements, and struggles that have fundamentally shaped the American landscape and beyond. From the resilience displayed during the harrowing times of slavery to the brilliance in the realms of science, technology, literature, and the arts, African Americans have played a pivotal role. Figures like Harriet Tubman, who led countless slaves to freedom via the Underground Railroad, and Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., whose eloquence and courage in the face of systemic racism helped catalyze the civil rights movement, are emblematic of this rich history. How does Black culture and achievement influence society? The influence of Black culture and achievements pervades various aspects of society, leaving an indelible mark on our collective identity and heritage. In science and technology, innovators like Lewis Latimer, who improved the design of the electric light bulb, the struggles and victories in the fight for civil rights have not only advanced the cause of African Americans, but have also set precedents and strategies for other social justice movements around the globe. Why is a month-long celebration insufficient for representing Black history? Limiting the exploration and celebration of Black history to a single month each year inherently restricts the narrative, leaving numerous stories and contributions unacknowledged. Countless individuals and their achievements remain in the shadows, their stories untold, and their impacts unrecognized. This not only diminishes their legacy, but also deprives society of the full spectrum of knowledge and understanding necessary for true appreciation and recognition of Black history's role in shaping our world. How does continuous engagement combat prejudice and ignorance? It plays a crucial role in fostering understanding and dismantling harmful stereotypes. By integrating the rich and diverse narratives of African Americans into everyday discourse, society can challenge and overcome the biases and misconceptions that often pervade public perception. Why is fostering empathy and inclusion vital? Ongoing dialogue and learning about Black history and the diverse perspectives within it are essential for fostering empathy and inclusion. This empathy is the cornerstone of inclusion, encouraging a society that values and respects diversity. How can continuous recognition promote justice and equality? Continuous recognition of Black history is not just an educational tool, but a catalyst for social change. Recognizing the achievements of African Americans despite these barriers underscores the need for equity and justice in all aspects of society. This continuous recognition can empower individuals and communities to advocate for change, influence policy, and implement practices that uphold the dignity and rights of all people. What personal initiatives can individuals take? Educational pursuits. Commit to reading literature by Black authors, exploring histories of African nations, and understanding the African diaspora's global impact. Support for Black businesses. Make a conscious effort to support Black-owned businesses, which play a crucial role in empowering Black communities economically. Cultural events and museums. Attend cultural events such as music festivals, art exhibits, and theatrical performances that celebrate Black culture. Social media and online platforms. Use social media and online platforms to amplify Black voices and learn about Black history and current issues affecting Black communities. How can institutions contribute to everyday engagement? Curriculum revisions. Educational institutions can revise curricula to include Black history and contributions across all subjects, not just during designated months. Diversifying leadership. Organizations and corporations should strive for diversity in their leadership and staff. Celebrating Black achievements year-round. Institutions can organize events, workshops, and discussions throughout the year that highlight Black achievements, history, and culture, ensuring that the recognition is not confined to a single month. How can collective action make a difference? Supporting racial justice initiatives. Participating in or donating to organizations that fight for racial justice and equality can have a significant impact. This includes legal defense funds, educational programs, and advocacy groups. Public advocacy. Advocating for policies and legislation that address systemic inequalities and promote social justice is essential. Creating inclusive spaces. Work towards creating inclusive environments in personal, professional, and social spaces. That's a wrap, history enthusiasts, for our exploration of why Black history should be celebrated every day. It's a call to action for us all to incorporate these narratives into our daily routines, promoting justice and honoring the contributions of African Americans. If this video resonated with you, please show your support by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. We'd love your feedback and ideas for future videos. Please leave a comment below with topics you'd like to see. Thanks for watching and supporting us. Peace and love.